Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the right rear burner orifice in your gas range, be sure to unplug the power cord or shut off the power supply. Shut off the gas supply as well. Lift off the right side grate. Remove the burner cap and use a 3/16" socket or nut driver to unthread the two mounting screws securing the base. Lift the base straight up to remove. To help grip the orifice, place a piece of tape in a 7mm socket or nut driver. You can now unthread the old orifice from the holder. Install the new orifice by inserting it into the socket or nut driver. Then thread it into the holder. Reposition the burner base so the igniter aligns with the notch in the base. Thread the two mounting screws. Realign the burner cap and grate. Turn the gas supply back on. Plug the power cord back in or restore the power supply, and your gas range should be ready for use.